1, 2, 3, 4.
Ndwa haiba umusole weyemele kwa tuko yeke amasole Ankaleli mwates na nizama ya kabundume na kibuni tifela baba puma bapume anirapa fupatelo mina mukuze baba iponi moi kalezi mubabuze babali yeni babala kapilu wili mwikusi na matomo anitumilulimi abapeleli musole yekindwa ya mutumba kulitalusa molineze kulipunda aiwiye mbunga aiwiye punda maiwiye yana wile uwile fa yema upile yema udie wena uzie zevalusie haiba kumabuse kuplausile kapili unapipa mpiliba ya pule kakuli wapile ule nuvale zabutu kwa warapi kolile wale muhakuli kolile akiyabana na inakuwa bana masole bala banini rap mbunga rap wow rap mbunga rap wow rap mbunga rap wow mbunga wow rap mbunga rap wow rap mbunga rap wow rap mbunga rap wow rap mbunga rap wow jabu tariki yako nile kule muhakabu bebe kuli mbunga yuna yese inanibukamu so muyemo mukene mumuzemo kuya pindingo kukuta pindingo yela bona yawa yema kiwi yela kena onafa wawelwa kiwi kemela baba buteli bakuteka koba simulu hambunga kiyambunga nitamulula mutiyo waka moni lwezizezaka zene kuzizene mbuzizibuzize kuzaka lifuyo sikie hova haleluya amen kimuli mukwakoluya kwanu kwa mbunga kiluna lwaikemela hawiyawa kuyo vita foni feleza sisi mtoko kitabu mapilo ya kania mina baba tebileni kuniyala bandini rap rap mbunga rap wow rap mbunga rap wow rap mbunga rap wow mbunga wow rap mbunga rap wow rap mbunga rap wow rap mbunga rap wow rap mbunga rap wow self-discipline, don't know what I want. It's not for the weak, but for the strong on the front. You wonder how I maintain it, it's because I use my brain tricks to the game. I'm strong enough to stand in rain. Getting the money, that's what my father told me ever since I was a little kid. My mama be living in the power, hard work. I'm putting in Jehovah speaking the muscle. I'm busy dealing the land for money while if you told them to sleep, that when they wake up they will find the money. Mutumba Libelek, I am Jehovah, your creator. Your war is not over yet. Pick your microphone, tell them oh my God, make it up. Tell them here we go, ripping the crowd for the Lord, they're whipping. Didn't I tell you to tell them to be screaming? Rap, bunga, rap, whoa, rap, bunga, rap, whoa, rap, bunga, rap, whoa, bunga, whoa, rap, bunga, rap, whoa, rap, bunga, rap, whoa, rap, bunga, rap, whoa, rap, bunga, rap, whoa. Hey boy, how was the production?
It's beautiful.
Beautiful. That's my boy.